This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So let's check it out. Design-wise, the Fold 6 looks very similar to last year's Fold 5. The only exception is that the front screen is now slightly bigger. But it's not bigger in a sense that you're going to realize the difference, but if bezels are going to become smaller, then I think that this is still a win. But most importantly, we want to show you how the new Galaxy AI features work on the Fold 6 based on the features that we showed you in the Flip 6 video. So let's start with Generative Edit. Okay, so let's head over to the picture app, and here I have a picture of my colleague. So what we'll do is we'll hit the Galaxy AI icon right there, and here you have a new option called Sketch to Image. So hit Sketch to Image, and now all you need to do is just draw some little funny bunny ears on his head, and hopefully it will generate bunny ears on him. And there you have it. We have bunny ears on our colleagues. Oh, this is so fun to use. So yeah, generally you can use this with any image that you have, and the cool thing is that it's going to follow the color of the pencil that you use. Aside from just drawing object on a person's face, you can actually go into the Notes app and write down something like, so let's say I write something butterfly on a flower, and I'll just give it a bit more context by drawing a butterfly. Now obviously I am not an art student, so that's a butterfly. And what you can do is you can hit the Galaxy AI icon up here, and then you can see here you have Sketch to Image. So when you hit Sketch to Image, it's going to ask you to draw a circle around the prompt that you have written on the Notes app. So in this case, we'll just draw here, we'll add the butterfly in. So adding the butterfly is just for context, and then you can choose multiple different styles that you want here. So in this case, let's go for illustration, and we'll hit Generate. And there you have it. You have kind of a butterfly with some plant-looking things over here, but of course it's going to give you multiple different types of options, so you can choose it. I think this is pretty cool if you want to create like a birthday card or a greeting card. So you can just do all of this within the Samsung Notes app and then generate some nice, pretty looking card to give to someone. The Notes app has also gotten an update. Not only can it summarize your notes right now, it also can do transcriptions directly from the Notes app. Now, if you have a voice recording, for example, you can actually put the voice recording into the Samsung Notes app, and it can translate, it can summarize, and it can transpose all the words into text. I think that this is a very decent upgrade to Galaxy AI. Now, you can also upload PDFs into the Notes app, and it's smart enough to pick out the words from the PDF and overlay a translation on it if the PDF is not in your native language. This also works with text that are on images, and it is smart enough to just overlay all the translations on the image itself as well. So let's move on to the transpose feature. Now, the feature works exactly the same as how it would on the Flip 6. The translation will appear on the cover screen for the person that you're talking to read. Now, we understand that a lot of business people would be the one to get this phone, so this feature makes a lot of sense, especially if you're having a meeting with a foreign client. You can use the Galaxy Fold 6 to do all the translations for you, and you don't have to go out there and hire a translator for you. Oh, and by the way, all the Galaxy AI features we've been showing you, they also work on the cover screen. So similar to the Fold 5 that came out last year, the Fold 6 also adopts the same camera system as this year's S series. However, the megapixels are still the same as last year's Fold 5. You're getting a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. So obviously, with it being a latest generation phone, you are getting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in it, and you will get 12 gigabytes of RAM at the lowest model, and at the highest storage, you can go up to 1 terabyte. And powering the phone is a 4400 milliamp hour battery. So again, as I said in my Flip video, that Galaxy AI has come with some very decent improvements, and I definitely prefer to use Galaxy AI on the Fold 6 because it felt more like a productivity phone compared to the Flip, which in my opinion always felt like an accessory. But with the new updates to Galaxy AI, I can now see the appeal of both the Flip and the Fold. Personally, for me, I would still prefer the Fold, mainly because it has a larger cover screen and of course a much larger internal display as well. But again, it depends on what you need. So guys, there you have it. That is our first impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let me know what you think, whether the updates are worth getting the new Fold down in the comments below. And of course, while you're there, don't forget to sub, don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next video.